Hey guys, welcome to another content video. Today we're going to be going over PAYC, which we talked about as the May ticker to watch. And the reason why we like this stock is because we looked at its pattern. It's been on an uptrend pattern. So welcome guys to another content video. If you guys do like these videos, if you guys found these videos helpful or educational, please hit the like button or subscribe or both. And yeah, there's also a trading course in development as well that I'm developing. So it's taking some time, but be on the lookout for that as I get more information. So PAYC, Paycom software, and here we are, right? We're looking at a 180-day chart. And the reason why we like this is not only has this been on an uptrend, but we know that every time it dips, it can offer a good buying area. And this is the 200 SMA, which is the red line. So when we were in June, here's June 1st, early June, we talked about the potential for it to rebound at the where? Well, at the 200 SMA. And we did rebound, but this wasn't the rebound. It looks like it did come lower than the 200 SMA. So let's take a look at a couple of scenarios, right? First thing is, have we gone into a bearish scenario for this stock? And in a way, we can argue, look, under the 200 SMA, we have come under, but we've recovered in the past. And look how fast we recovered. Here, we're under the 200 SMA, and we're now starting some sort of recovery. Now, whether this is the bottom or this is a complete reversal, it doesn't seem too definitive to me. But then once again, does this seem really definitive? Well, it only seemed a little definitive when we started gapping up, right? That's when we know that we're when to buy in. But right now, it's more or less definitive, but you know, it's not too certain right now. So where could you have bought in? Well, $100, $101, that would have been a very good entry point, because you could have realized that even though we dipped under the 200 SMA, which has happened in the past, it can offer a good buying point. So if you guys bought in around this area, even if you guys bought in where we first talked about the when we started making the video last month, right? You would have bought in around 104 to 105, and at this point you would have either broken even if you kept it, or you would have made a small gain. It's at the very least better than losing money, right? So what are we looking for, right? Here we're looking at some sort of bull flag pattern. You guys can see this massive surge followed by this flag pattern, right? You guys can see that, followed by this kind of flag pattern. Now, whether this is the top or the, you know, it might come down for another leg down before it goes back up, that's anyone's guess, right? But you know where you can take a comfortable position. If you took a position here, you could have at least gotten 3 or a little more percentage points. So one thing to note is I'm looking for a break, certainly over this area, right? 107, but also 110. Should we start breaking out and we, you know, break out of this bearish pattern, at the very least, you guys can see this bearish pattern right here. If we can break out this bearish pattern, that's another time where we can take another position on PAYC. So yeah, so I hope you guys, this video helps you guys. If you guys were a little worried as to the trajectory of the stock, I think this is a still pretty good stock. Is this the best one that we can go in right now? Probably not the best one, since it's still kind of doing this pattern right now and there's no definitive sign of reversal. But this is a good one to be in if you did get in near the bottom. Is this a good time to take an entry position right now? Well, if you guys got in right now, just, you know, are you comfortable with a loss? Should it pull a little 4 or 5% lower? That's the question. But at the same time, you know the potential it holds, right? Should it start breaking out again, we know that the potential is at least 5, 7, or 10%. So this is something that I'm still certainly watching right now as we continue forward. We'll probably do another video about this ticker in July. So, all right. Thank you guys for visiting this video. Like if you like this video, subscribe to this channel if this helps you, and I'll see you guys next time on the next content video.